Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A34, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and do that once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the hotspot toggle. For me, that is on the second page right over here. Once you see it, first time around, I recommend holding it, as this will take you to the settings, and in here you want to start off by selecting the hotspot password. This will be a randomly generated password, and by default it usually isn't just numbers, so it's like letters and numbers. So this might have been already changed, but in any case, I'm gonna get rid of this one and I'll choose my own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, like I mentioned. For me, that is a very simple password, 1 through 8. There is no complexity requirements right here, so you can make it however simple you want, as long as it's 8 characters in length, and that can be letters or numbers. Now we also have the option to turn off hotspot automatically, which will turn it off after a specific time of inactivity, which is a pretty nice option. Anyway, once everything is set, we can close this, and whenever you want to use your hotspot, find a toggle and simply tap on it to turn it on. Now when you do so, it will turn off your Wi-Fi, as you can see right over here, as it's using the same antennas to broadcast both of those signals, and it can only do one of those at a time. So once it's enabled, you can basically connect with your other devices to this hotspot and obviously use the internet. Now once you're done, and either the device turns off the hotspot for you or you do it yourself by tapping on a toggle, Wi-Fi will automatically re-enable itself, as you can see on my end right here. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.